Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. If you enjoy any of my videos, or this video in particular, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe to the channel. That will be highly helpful for me. Today we'll be unboxing this Kenwood Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Wet and Dry. So let's, as usual, have a look around the box. Let's open up the box. Let's see what we have. We have brush nozzle attachment. We have this squeege attachment. We have this crevice tool, and then first of all, this is the user manual. This particular vacuum is HVP19 from Kenwood, and the user manual comes in English, French, Turkish, and Arabic. This is the power supply for charging. This is the charging base. When you want to charge it, get here to the base like that, and it will charge. It will take from 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. So every time you fully deplete the battery, you need to charge it for 4 to 5 hours. So let's have a look on this power supply. Let's open up the cable, and this is the vacuum cleaner. Let's see if there is any charge. Or before that, let's open it up from here. You press here and it will open up. So let's first turn it on and see if it has any charge. This is how it sounds. Let's put it next to the microphone. It has very good traction power. When fully charged, the runtime of this vacuum is 18 minutes. The lithium battery is 14.8 volts. Liquid capacity is 120 ml, and the dust capacity is 500 ml. Let's see how can we attach these attachments. You just put them here. The other one. They just easily fit in the vacuum and with the brush attachment. So you can brush, or you can suck up liquid. This is a wet and dry. It's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, so you can vacuum up liquids and also solids. Let's have a look here also. This is as I said, it's 2000 mAh, 14.8 volts. It's made in China. It has two settings, either on or off. Let's see how can we clean. So you open it up from here, and this can be opened like that, and you can clean it. This is the filter. Let's see how can we remove the filter. First of all, we rotate this, and then you remove this filter, and you can clean inside here also, and you can clean the filter. And if you feel that after a very prolonged time of cleaning that this filter will no longer work adequately, you can replace this filter. See when we put it again here and we rotate it, so it will be like this. You want to open it again, see, like that, and you pull it out. Again, you put it down here and we lock it into place, and you can easily just, as you see here, just put it in place, and here it will show you, it's written here up, so you know that you have to put it this way, and then lock it into place. So this was a quick unboxing video about the Kenwood Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This is the vacuum cleaner. These are the 3 attachments that comes with it, and This is the charging base. It comes with a user manual and 50 instructions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.